Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Today I am testing the Les Beiges Foundation from Chanel. Chanel is iconic, known for fashion, handbags, fragrances, and more. And this foundation has a very expensive price tag, but is it worth it? Let's find out. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen color scale, I give this foundation a 5. This foundation did not disappoint. It had a light to medium coverage, it was buildable, a water-like texture, and being that it is 40% water, it goes on so smooth. I like that it's luminous, radiant, and lasts all day. The things I don't like about this foundation are the price tag, and it is so radiant that I felt like I needed powder. But other than that, I was really impressed. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is all skin types, except if you are oily, beware, it is very radiant and very luminous. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.